My name is Akomeki Raphael Songwe, and I'm co-founder for EdTech. EdTech has an initiative that we're calling eSchool, which provides computer programming lessons to young learners between the ages of 8 to 18 as an extracurricular activity. I applied for the Injini EdTech Bootcamp hosted by BongoHive because we needed some answers for some questions that we're not asking ourselves, and we also wanted to build a viable business case for our enterprise. It was a very insightful experience, and for me, the greatest takeaway was that our business is viable and we can scale our business to beyond our borders. I would also like to encourage anybody who has an idea or even in a prototype stage or even an established EdTech business that there is an opportunity for you to gain more resources and be able to refine the model that you're using right now.